Hey guys, how is it going? Good, okay, good here too. So, even though we have new projects, real projects for our work here, official work in the shop, I managed to steal 1 hour this morning and I did some final touches for this side of the 74 TR6. Like one was here, if you remember, I didn't finish this flange before, so I finished it now. Welded this shut. There was a hole here for the emergency release on the bonnet, and the last thing was here. I forgot to weld this last week, so I welded this in. There was a little corroded area here, and now this side is completed. So, like on the other project, like on the GT6, it's time also for this project to turn the other page. So let's do that. Alright, so quick assessment on this side as well, and the usual suspects. The valance, the inner valance, same area here is pitted. Here we have more than the other side though. We have to work on this flange as well. Here, this, I'm sure we have the same situation here on this flange. This is even worse, even higher, so I guess this side we're gonna have to get rid of the whole triangle here and make a new one. Here they did a good job actually making a new back of the B-post. I even thought for a second that maybe that's the original B-post, but actually I see the cuts here, so they made it. And they didn't do a bad job actually making it, but I guess inside they still packed the rust, so we're gonna have to get rid of that. Here again, this is all corroded, so they patched it from inside. The seal is solid, so we know the seal is new, so we know the procedure now. We're gonna start cutting everything from inside. And yeah, here the situation is the exact same. The bottom of the EI post here, yeah, everything is the exact same situation, so I think we should start from here again and make our way this way, like at least the wheel well is nice and solid, I hope, except over there in the corner, but we had the same issue on the other side, so yeah. I don't think I ever showed you the front valance. That will require some attention too, but I think it's solid. It's bent, but it's solid. Maybe the lip over there is rotten, I don't know, because I see some overlapping metal there, so I think that's patch or that's how it comes originally. I will see. I'll have to look at it, but here there's rust. Not too bad actually. I hope. I don't know what's underneath. Actually, we can check here. Oh yeah, it looks perfect on the inside, so it's not bad. Okay, I don't think I'm gonna film way too much of the ripping apart, because I showed you one side already, so I'm just gonna show you a little bit more briefly this side, I think. But again, if something interesting happens, I'm gonna turn you on and show you. But I think you've seen that already, right? Well, I was curious to see what this valance hiding for me, because that's like one of the last unexplored areas. I just wanted to make sure that there's no a very big surprise here. Well, there isn't. I found that there's this patch here on top, that they added. It's braced here in a couple of places, and on top it's not very solid actually. It shakes here, so we're gonna pull it out, and probably we're gonna find a lot of rust underneath. And well, should we order new valance? Or wait a minute, stupid idea, but maybe we can fix this one. Of course we're gonna fix this one. Look, even their patch started rusting here. Anyways, I'm gonna remove it. I'm not gonna start repairing the valance now, but I'm gonna remove the patch just to see what's underneath, because I'm curious. And then we're gonna start cutting out pieces here. This time I don't think I'm gonna even attempt to remove some of the patches, because I'm just gonna cut the valance here, and this needs repair, so I'm just gonna cut it somewhere here. Here there's a hole, so I'm gonna have to cut this. So why would I remove the patch? That's a waste of time. Anyways, let me remove that first. Alright, it's a little bit cheesy. A little bit of fiberglass and everything's gonna be fine. Nobody's gonna know that there are so many holes here. Really, honestly, if instead of patching it, if they did that, if they just covered it with fiberglass, it would be better than that now. I'm sure that when they patched it, it was probably in this shape. Like here there were some holes, but after that the rust just spread around, and this is what happened. Well, anyways, it's not that bad. We just need this top part, and then we're gonna replace one square here, and other than that, everything else is solid. Of course here it needs some work, and here in the corner we know the drill already, so let's get to it. Alright, so here I cut part of the valance, and this triangle here that, you know, it's patched, so this is what it looks like in the back, so of course we had to remove it. And with part of the flange of the wheel well, but because the wheel well is pretty solid here, I didn't cut it out, just the flange. Good thing is that the wheel well here is good. At least that's what I think. This is a hole for this is a screw hole. Something was screwed there, but I guess we can plug it. And yeah, the rest of the wheel well is pretty good, so we don't need to deal with this as well, at least. And then I'm gonna start working here. Today I don't feel like repairing this, so I'm just in cutting off mode. So I think I might cut this patch off from here, and here what I think my plan is, I'm gonna cut only the top part first. I'm gonna replace the flange on top, so then I can cut this out and start working here. But if I cut this out, this whole front area is gonna just drop. So first of all I'm gonna cut a little bit here, repair it, and then we can cut everything else off. That's the plan. Alright, so this was cut, bridged, and now we can go to town with the cutting wheel. found an easier way to remove the project. Alright, we opened some big holes. I think tomorrow if we have time again, we're going to start cleaning up the old flanges and leaving only solid metal, and eventually we're going to start rebuilding it. Eventually, right? Alright, time to move to the GT6 now. Well, it's a few days later, guys, and as you can see, our baby is in her old spot here, where she spent a lot of time before, and now it looks like she's gonna have to spend another few weeks here on hibernation, on standby, on hold, or whatever you want to call it, because I'm really busy in the shop during the day, so I'm not gonna be able to work on her probably till the end of this year, unfortunately. Or maybe I'm gonna find some hours, I don't know. But for now, she's parked here and she's gonna wait for all these other projects to be done, like this one, this one, this one over here, which is absolutely empty, and we have to fill it up with furniture and lights and stuff, so that's gonna take a while. And there's another project here, which is waiting for vinyl top. And another one here, which is basically the same as the white one, needs to be filled up with furniture. And another Lincoln Town Car. This is a quick. So we were not busy, but all of a sudden we are now the busiest shop in the world, and we have to do a lot of stuff before our Christmas holidays, which starts on 21st, I think, December. So we have a lot of projects to do until then. So for now, unfortunately, she is gonna stay here and wait for me to come back to her. Hopefully that's not gonna take a lot. Well, so it's gonna be a short video, but I wanted to let you know what's going on and where are we at with this project, and not to be surprised that there are no videos coming up for that. But don't worry, there are videos coming up for this baby, because she's still on the go. Because she's still moving, she's after hours, so all these projects are not on the way for this girl. Well, so thanks for watching, guys, and for commenting and subscribing, and stay tuned for more videos of this series, hopefully very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.